7 of the state of Florida versus Alicia Andrews in the Julio Foolio murder trial. If you're new here, my name is Keontae Ariel, and my recaps are just a little different. Actually going to court in person, sitting through the hearings, and coming back to give you guys these entertaining recaps that still provide some seriousness, because all of this is serious. But I try to bring a little light, okay? I call it the Armand Wiggins reporting style. Alicia walks in. She has on a sand-colored blazer, a brown turtleneck, and what is that giving you guys? That she's cold. She's trying to be comfortable in the best way that she can be with what is provided to her. Then we have the judge that comes in, and she's a little late, a little tardy to the party due to traffic, but we get straight into it. It's time for the defense to question Detective Ramos. And
thinking to myself, about goddamn time, because I thought we was going to be done with Ramos yesterday. We were supposed to have Robert Howard and all these other people yesterday. Man, I'm trying to give y'all these in-person recaps because it's nothing like an in-person experience, but god damn. But now it's time for the defense to really turn it around. For after yesterday, the state made, Alicia look, we were all looking like.
This attorney McClyment starts off with wanting to understand what Ron Ramos was able to gather regarding Chance and Gathrights' motive to, murder Julio Foolio. And Ramos he said, well, Chance has friends that has died from the hands of, from the gang violence of 6 Block, or gang retaliation from 6 Block, and that Sean is just a gang associate due to the statutory state rights or something he said like that. And defense attorney McClyment starts dissecting the video evidence that was brought in that we went over yesterday, but we seen the state's point of view. So now it's time for us to see what the defense makes out of these videos with Detective Ramos. Keep in mind, yesterday, with the state and Detective Ron Ramos, they basically said that she has to know Sean because she was driving in the car with him for 3 hours. She went to a party, prior. She's been dating Isaiah for 4 years on and off. And not only that, she was at the Airbnb with Sean. So she has to know Sean. She has to know gang associates. She has to know about gangs. And even in our interrogation, she was acting like she did not know of Sean, but then she ultimately said that, yeah, I guess that would be Isaiah's little brother, or they call him little bro. That's just what their whole point in case was yesterday. The defense attorney is like, you're basing Alicia Andrews' knowledge of Sean off of a gathering, and